Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Caesar, Mr. 480, back at it again with another video. So check this out. I told the delivery guy, gave him special instructions to ring the doorbell twice in alphabetical order. Now I'm gonna try to get this guy trying to figure it out, see what they mean, what I mean, but we'll see how that goes. There they are, right there. I told him to ring the doorbell twice in alphabetical order. Let's see if they know what that means. I sure don't. Man, how they know what alphabetical order is ringing the doorbell? That's what I want to know. Now, you just came, rang the doorbell twice, pretty quick. I don't know if that was alphabetical order. I don't know if they knew what that meant, but I guess they passed. Stay tuned for the next time we order food right here. Take care, Mr. Caesar 480.